Exploring the built-in material settings on the Juliet high-definition cutter by Siser. To load a cut setting, press the Cut Settings menu on the home screen of Juliet's user interface. The material library on your new Juliet has designated cut settings for all Siser material. Each menu is also fully customizable to the user's specifications. From here, you can access the main presets menu, which include HTV and PSV settings, along with a third page to access additional materials to create custom material settings based on your needs. To load a cut setting, simply press the category you would like to access, press on the desired cut setting, and congratulations, you just loaded your first cut setting. To adjust cut settings, while on the material's main menu, use the plus and minus buttons to change both speed and force. Once you are satisfied with your custom settings, select the Update button. Then press Update to save the desired setting until the next time you decide to change it again. Needing more custom cut settings? With the Juliet, you can create custom cut settings. To do this, press the desired setting you would like to create or override. Use the plus and minus arrows to adjust speed and force. Don't forget the test cut by pressing the Test Cut button. Once you are satisfied, press the Rename button and rename your custom settings. And just like that, you have total control of your Juliet high-definition cutting machine by Siser. A new creative journey starts here.